going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this monitor riser. This is not my monitor riser, this is my wife's. She's into receptionist work. She works in the office, you guys. My wife works in the office and she is buying all types of stuff for her office. So she's telling me I should do a review on this since I done reviews on, like, you know, laptop stands and stuff like that. So I like reviewing stuff, you guys. I like reviewing stuff. I like showing people how to install stuff. I like helping people out. So help me out. Hit the like button so the video can go around the algorithm, I guess. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. All right. Gonna take this out, and it don't look like it's too much to this install, but we will see. All right, I love it. We have instructions. All right, so it's really not too much to it, you guys. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. So you have your basket right here, and this is what I do all the time, you guys. If my wife buys something, she wants me to put it together. Sometimes if I buy something, I want her to put it together. If I get too frustrated. So you have the 4 legs right here. Now we're just going to go ahead. No, step 1 is this right here. These little panels or plates. So you got 1, you got 2, and it says put it on your plate right here. So you have this plate. All right, so what do? Just slide it in. It says slide it in. I am trying to make sure I'm doing this right, you guys, because on the instructions it don't look. Oh, okay, so this goes like this. Okay, got it. All right, so when you put it in, you have to put it in going flush to the plate once I put it in the hole. Oh. Why am I struggling now? All right, so I have it in that one. Now we got it in that one. So you have to make sure it's flush to the plate right here. All right, that's how you install that side. And then you go ahead and install this side. From what I see on here, it says go ahead and open it. So we will leave it open like this. And next, you install 4 legs. So we have the legs here. They have the female thread right here. And then the male is right there. So you just screw it on like this. This is pretty cool, you guys. If you work in the office, this is very nice. Now this is for your monitor. I'm pretty sure you could put your laptop on it if you want to use it for your laptop, but I believe it's mainly for your monitor. But that's if your monitor will fit this platform. I know some people got monitors where they're bigger and the feet is all the way on one side and all the way on the other side. My Samsung monitor actually had a single base in the middle, so this would have worked for that. But y'all know me, I like the mount that I put on there. So until I figure out if I want a new mount or not. Now these legs are adjustable from what I see. So you can adjust the legs if you want to. All right, you guys, my bad. Camera died, ran out of battery and memory. So anyway, so I'm going to put the basket on. I'm one-handed banded, you guys. Couldn't find my the phone mount. My bad, you guys. I had to push it in hard. So those little lips, make sure it don't come out. But if you need to pull it back out, you could pull it back out. You could put a cell phone here. You could put a cell phone there. A little pin right there. And you could put your monitor right on the top. And that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.